Good morning, boys and girls. So we are moving on to our next science unit, and it is about the different Earth systems and how they shape the Earth. So let's look at these pictures quickly. Take a look at these pictures. Look at this picture right here. Look at this land. How do you think this land was created, or this formation in this one? Look at the sand. What do you think created this pattern in the sand? Ooh, look at this one. These are rocks. What could have caused or created these really interesting formations? Yes, they were all made by wind. How could wind possibly create these formations? So that is your question I want you to answer as your assignment. How could wind possibly create these formations? I want you to explain to me how you think the wind created these different formations. So take a close look and think about how the wind caused these formations to appear. Have a good day.